Number 1. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, well-kept extended cab short bed pickup powered by a 6.5-liter diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck currently shows 129,000 miles on the odometer and comes finished in a white exterior with a blue interior, giving it a clean and classic 1990s Chevrolet truck appearance. This Silverado has been maintained in solid condition, featuring nice paint and a well-preserved interior that reflects careful ownership over the years. The truck also sits on a good set of tires, making it ready for regular driving. With its diesel powertrain, extended cab layout, automatic transmission, and relatively moderate mileage, this 1500 offers a practical combination of durability and comfort. Number 2. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,600. It runs and drives well and has been used regularly as a dependable driver. The truck was previously owned by an older gentleman who had a GM crate engine installed at King Cadillac in 2017. After he passed away, a friend purchased it and later added the current rims and tires, which have about 2,000 miles on them. It was mainly used in Santee to launch a boat into the water, which caused wear on the cab corners that now need attention. There is also a small rust spot on the fender and a dent, but overall the truck remains solid. Recent maintenance includes a new windshield, driver's door pins, ignition module, fuel pump relay, spark plugs, starter, battery, and fresh oil change. It may need a new distributor cap and rotor, but it is currently driven to work. The AC and heater both function properly. Number 3. 1988 Ford F-250, price $9,499, well-maintained full-size pickup that offers a strong combination of capability and comfort. This truck is equipped with a reliable 5.8L engine paired with a 2WD drivetrain and a long wheelbase, and it has accumulated 167,000 miles. It also features a set of nearly new tires with less than 100 miles of use, inside and out. The truck comes nicely equipped with several desirable features, including cold air conditioning, power windows, and power door locks for added convenience. It also retains its factory security system and includes an FM/CD player for entertainment. Additional highlights include a sunroof that brings in natural light, a tow package for hauling capability, and a dual exhaust system that enhances both performance and sound. Number 4. 1994 GMC 1500, price $9,500. It has traveled approximately 242,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline-powered engine. It features a bold orange exterior with a gray interior and has been modified with a 2000 Denali front-end conversion, along with shaved door handles and taillights for a cleaner custom look. Under the hood, it retains the stock Chevy 350 V8, while the transmission was rebuilt less than 500 miles ago. The truck sits on 22-inch US mags wheels and also includes a hidden hitch located behind the license plate. The interior is clean overall, with only a small tear in the seat visible in the photos. The truck runs but will need a few minor fixes, including a header exhaust leak that likely needs a new gasket, an AC leak that needs repair, and a general tune-up. Number 5. 1995 Ford F-150, price $9,000, powered by a 5.0L V8 engine with an automatic transmission, showing 142,000 miles. It features a red exterior with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Over the past few years, the truck has received several maintenance updates, including a full transmission rebuild 3 years ago and new tires installed 2 years ago with low miles. Additional recent work includes a new alternator, battery, distributor, ignition control module, EGR valve, fuel pressure regulator, idler pulley, tensioner, and belt. The truck has also had a tune-up, fresh fluids, and new vacuum lines and hoses. Inside, the seat has been re-upholstered, and it comes equipped with a Husky toolbox along with a JVC radio and upgraded speakers. The transmission has slipped on occasion, and there are minor dents and cosmetic wear consistent with its age. Number 6. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,900. Dependable full-size pickup that has traveled 161,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, the truck presents a classic and straightforward look that fits well with the rugged reputation of GMC's early 2000s pickups. Under the hood, it is powered by a 4.8-liter V8 gasoline engine that produces 270 horsepower and 285 lb-ft of torque, providing strong and reliable performance for daily driving, hauling, or light-duty work. This engine is well known for its durability and smooth power delivery, making it a solid choice for a truck in this class. The vehicle has recently received a fresh oil change and inspection, helping ensure that it is running properly and ready for the road. Number 7. 1994 GMC 1500. Price $7,000. Classic full-size pickup with 225,000 miles and an automatic transmission, finished in silver with a blue interior. It is a two-door Club Coupe extended cab and comes with a clean North Carolina title. Powered by a 305 TBI V8 engine, the truck runs strong with no issues and starts easily. It is paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and is equipped with 3.73 gears. The 4WD system works properly in both high and low range, making it capable for various driving conditions. Additional features include Edelbrock shorty headers, 60/40 split bench seating, cold AC and hot heat, new tires including the spare, and an electronic brake controller, making this truck a solid and reliable option for both daily driving and light towing. Number 8. 1982 Chevrolet S10. Price $4,500. It has 109,000 original miles and is equipped with a 2.8L V6 gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It features a red exterior with a matching red interior, giving the truck a classic and distinctive look for its era. This example is reported to run very well, with the engine recently receiving a fresh oil change. The 4-speed manual transmission shifts smoothly with no known issues, and the clutch engages properly. Structurally, the truck is in impressive condition for its age, with almost no rust, aside from a small area on the left cab corner, while the underside is described as being close to mint condition. The truck has also been fitted with a new mechanical fuel pump, although it currently has a slight drip that may need minor attention. The air conditioning system remains original R12 and will require a recharge to function. Number 9. 1994 Ford Ranger. Price $4,000. Compact pickup powered by a 3.0L V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a 4x4 drivetrain. It has 194,000 miles on the odometer and features a red exterior, giving it a classic look typical of Rangers from this era. The truck was originally purchased with a blown transmission, but the transmission has since been rebuilt, allowing the vehicle to drive properly again. With the rebuilt transmission in place, the truck runs and drives well, and the engine operates smoothly. Overall, it appears to be a solid running Ranger with a desirable manual 4x4 setup, making it a practical and capable small pickup for daily use, light hauling, or off-road driving. Number 10. 1993 GMC Sonoma. Price $4,500. Classic compact pickup with a clean, simple setup and a nice natural patina that gives it a unique vintage character. It is powered by a reliable 2.5L 4-cylinder Iron Duke engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and shows 99,000 miles on the odometer. This truck retains many original features, including the factory bench seat and original radio, along with manual windows, manual locks, and manual steering. It has been lowered with a 5/6 strop using spindles, springs, leaf springs, and blocks, giving it a clean mini truck stance. The Sonoma sits on 15x7 chrome smoothie rims with 205/60/15 tires in the front and 225/60/15 tires in the rear, completing its classic lowered look.